Finally, our turn with this beast. The John Deere X9 1100. John Deere let us run this for a few hours yesterday. We got going in canola here. It's not really dry, it's borderline, it's 10. This thing was pounding some acres. So a few hours yesterday in this. Hopefully do a bit more here today. I don't even know if it's dry yet. It's 2 o'clock. But yeah, the canola is, it's dirty. Got this combine all black here. I'll pour him up here. Got the 50-foot HDR header on this. I gotta clean these windows. Oh, I don't have a, yeah, I don't got anything with me. I don't got my broom or my radio. This thing is massive. A lot of similarities. Screens are different. These are the Gen 5 screens, dual screens. There's a lot of grain loss and automation stuff. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how a lot of it works. So if this is not a how-to video at all. This is just me combining canola. Controls here, very similar. I know it uses, I think there's front cameras that are sensing that should probably be cleaned off, that help with automation. The satellite imagery, I'm not even sure if that's on. Dad just texted because I got no radio. 10.5 to 12 moisture canola. Huh, well, that's not ideal. This side of the cab is different, more room, outlets, cup holders, shelves. The even the steering column is different. Look how much room there is, like even to tilt this in and out. Buddy seat. One thing, fridge is smaller. Fridge is smaller in this than the 790s. I realize that. But yeah, specs on this, I mean, just more capacity, larger feeder house, twin rotor, more cleaning area, bigger hopper, all that fun stuff. You can look up those specs. Just sounds mean. Class 9s used to be the big brothers, but now it's the little brother when the Class 10s and 11s hit the market, like this thing. 4 mile an hour, 50 feet, acres per hour, close to 25 here. That's a big difference. It is a big difference. This is I think this is the satellite image downloaded into the combine here, and it's driving. I mean, the speed is driving by itself, and it's making harvest setting changes by itself based on the predicted yield. That's my auto on there, so it thinks it needs to go 2.4 or yeah 2.5, and then where it's because it's heavy here, 60s, and where it's a little bit lighter, once we get on top of this hill, I think it's going to speed up. Well, it's starting to speed up already. We're going 4. There's the changes, just based off the terrain. I should set my max higher. Oh, I should not combine some trees. Let's go 4.5. It just wants to go so quick. I just don't know if it's trying to push itself too much or what. set it 4.5 max, it'll just go 4.5. So now it just eats. Set my max at 4.3 because I think that's fast enough. And it's changing its settings. It's reading its satellite imagery maps, I think. Maybe not. I don't know. Basically, I'm just steering. It's trying to keep its losses under the threshold that we set yesterday. It really opened up the concave clearance to 37. It's the spare tracks that I was talking about. If you get in a bad spot, it'll flip it up like that. Like right now, I'd be slowing down. Let's see what it does. I'm going 4.3. I mean, it's going to be 80 bushel canola down here. I can hear it just chomping. Yeah, it slowed down a bit. So I guess the idea is the automation can outdrive me, basically. That's where a lot of the capacity comes from. So it's going to slow down at the heavy spots, but then in the light spots, it's going to speed up, maybe where I don't realize. So with this feature on, you can get more capacity that way, going faster in the light spots. Now we're cooking. Let's go 4.4. It's a little bit to get organized here. We've got 3 combines, 3 trucks, a grain cart. Now we go. Yeah, well, when you speed up and you think you can go through that, this is what happens. Left it in automation, and you plug the header. So maybe I don't got it set right, or maybe I'll just drive in manual. Well, I want to reverse. Press and hold. Oh boy. What have I done? I plugged it. Plugged the header.
I think that'd be the location there.
I'm gonna get out. Whoops. There we go. Oh yeah, we are back. Oh, center. Oh yeah, center canvas is still plugged. We are not back. This canola is rank. This is like chest height on me, and it's ripe. That's the bale I pulled out. Center canvas is still stopped. This is kind of like the rock trap. Maybe just in here. Yeah. I hope that's it. It's quite a bit in here. Okay. Are we back? Are we back? Out of breath. If that doesn't turn. Come on. I unplugged it, but now my center canvas stopped turning and won't start up.
Did it get material underneath of it?
Yeah, a bit, but I cleaned it all out, like there's nothing left in there. I have to drop this pan. I'm sure there's a pan underneath. Now there's a feeder house, lockout, in. So I should be good there. I don't like it as good as the big stop that comes down on the cylinder. I feel kind of safe.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, how does this work? Well, there's really nothing. There's really nothing here. I mean, it's pretty tight, but had to get the grain cart driver help me put that pan back up. It was too heavy for me. It is totally clean now. There's nothing obstructing it, and it. God, let's try it here. Frick yeah, we're going now. Yeah, it's going now. I forgot to unlock the feeder house support. Got to play with the sensitivity and the aggressiveness / responsiveness, blah blah blah. Because it should be smart enough to kind of know when to speed up and slow down, or maybe I'm just not. Anyway, we'll play with that. I'll just go manual for now. And these front-facing cameras that help sense the crop, they get dirty. Yep, high dust levels. Which makes sense because I can't see anything, so how are they gonna see anything? Combine is there and there. That's Dad, and he's gonna combine for a bit and shut down right about now because some trucks are full. Unload the trucks, come back, combine for a bit. We're
I think we'll be alright in that big bin, Dustin.
getting it
The
done.
good second load should be dry already.
This one's showing quite a bit drier, 8-9. What are those showing?
Our average here is, average is 10-1.
Should be okay if it's that.
And that's 10-0.
Yeah, it's good. It's dry. Pretty soon it's going to be October dry, and October dry is 10-5. He's pretty full. I can tilt my spelt to shoot it farther out. The auger moves so quick. Might be a setting. Got to be a bit closer, but not too bad. Lots of room with the tractor. drop it there. So the hopper auger stopped. The auger keeps going, so now I'm empty. Okay, you're full. Took me a while to find the seat controls. Bam! Yeah, I was looking on the side, looking on that side, some down there, but yeah, my air's on. I knew that was on, couldn't find it. And then some sort of back adjustment, and then the massaging seat here. Is that on? Oh, I feel it now. I feel it. It's crazy. Oh yeah, that's nice. There's a massaging seat in here.
I could use one of those right now.
Nope. Just chewing. 3.5, 3.6 mile an hour. 65 bushel canola. Whoops. I got this thing very full. It's not leaking out the corners already. Trying to unload in these hills. I know. Whoa. Yeah, this field's a good one. It's a fun one. Getting there, just as the sun's going down. Okay. Starting to grumble pretty good. As soon as that sun goes down, it gets tough instantly. Can't see nothing. Look at that. Look at my mirrors. Just black. Look at the stem. Try to unload on that hill. I'll unload once I turn around. It's kind of flat up here. Not going to go much longer. This header, same as our old John Deere header, 635D. 635D. Once it got tough, it started like stripping the plants. It wasn't cutting very good. This one does the exact same. Come on, Johnny. Put her through. Cut my way back to the truck and we're heading home. Thick. It is thick here. Well, thanks for the ride, X9. Not sure when I'll get to see you again.